Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a clickable table of contents in Google Sheets. By the end of this video, you'll have an organized, easy way to jump between all your important sheets with just a single click. And trust me, this makes collaboration, sharing, and even just navigating your own data so much smoother. So if you've ever found yourself scrolling or searching for the right tab in a crowded spreadsheet, this trick is going to save you a ton of time. Let's dive right in. Here I have a Google Sheets file with several different tabs, each one acting like its own page on a website. We have tabs for things like sales report, inventory list, employee data, budget plan, and project tasks. What we want to do is create a single table of contents sheet, ideally right at the start, where anyone can click a link and be taken straight to the section they need. Think of it as your spreadsheet's front desk or a map at the entrance, especially useful if you're working in a team and you want to help coworkers or employees find their way around. The first thing you'll want to do is actually create that table of contents. Usually I just insert a new sheet at the very front and I title it clearly, something like Table of Contents in bold letters at the top. Underneath, I list out the names of each of the tabs I want people to access easily: Sales Report, Inventory List, Employee Data, Budget Plan, and Project Tasks. If you're following along, go ahead and type those out now. Here, where the magic happens, we're going to turn each of those sheet names in your table of contents into clickable links. Let's start with the sales report entry. Click into the cell where you wrote sales report, then either hit Ctrl+K on your keyboard or click the little link icon you'll find at the top of the Google Sheets menu. Looks like a small chain link. This opens up the link dialog. Now, instead of pasting a URL, look for the section labeled Sheets in this spreadsheet. You should see Sales Report as an option right there in that list. Click it, then hit Apply. When you do this, your sales report entry in the table of contents becomes a hyperlink that will take anyone directly to the Sales Report tab, no matter where they are in the spreadsheet. How neat is that? This makes it effortless for anyone using your sheet to navigate straight to the information they need. Let's do the same for the next couple of entries. Click on Inventory List, press Ctrl+K or hit the link icon and link it to the Inventory List tab. Repeat for employee data and so on. Take a moment to go through each item. It really doesn't take long, and this little investment up front pays off big time down the road. Don't worry if you can't find a sheet or something looks off. Sometimes it just takes a second for the options to load, especially if your spreadsheet has lots of data or custom sheets. And remember, if you ever rename a tab later, you might need to update your links to make sure everything still connects smoothly. And there you have it, a super handy, clickable table of contents right inside your Google Sheets. This approach will seriously cut down on confusion and wasted time for you and your coworkers. If you found this tip helpful, be sure to hit that like button and drop a comment below if you have any questions or if there's another Sheets trick you want to see. Don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials just like this, and thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.